Introducing to Elmore Street in Ormeau. Let's just have a look at probably one of the biggest aspects or thing that I think is a real benefit to this property is the side access here. So as you can see, the side access goes quite deep. So you could almost fit two, well, you definitely fit two, possibly three cars, or you can put your boat on the trailer and that down the side as well. Another good feature of this property is a nice big open living area, which attaches to the kitchen as well. Nice sized kitchen bench for all your entertaining, which leads outside to another aspect of it. Outside here, another fantastic feature of this property is the nice little pool here. It's quite deep as well. Nice fountain and waterfall flowing into the pool. All of this features that I've covered sit on a 600 square metre block, 3 bedrooms plus a study, possibly a 4th bedroom, plus a huge side access we've already shown. Look forward to catching up with you here soon.